Today's video, I'm gonna be talking about, does keyboards really influence your words per minute? Now, what I got here is a busted up keyboard that's mechanical. And what I got connected right now is not a busted up keyboard that's mechanical. One of those is wrong. Membrane keyboard, then that's a mechanical keyboard, the Razer one. And I'm gonna be seeing which one actually improves my typing speed more. Of course, they're both not really that expensive keyboards, but one is way more expensive than the other. In fact, I got this at a thrift store for $4. And the F11 keycap is missing. But besides that, it seems to be functional. So I'm gonna put this to the test. Thank you to Gon for sending me 1,000,000. I wasn't expecting that, but we don't really need to do any more races. Main reason is because I already have all this data. So my average is 139 with this keyboard. Let's just go to the daily activity. So let's do yesterday's because it's 31 races with 138 words per minute. That's pretty good. Of course, all the times I type, I'm typing at my full compatibility. Warm-ups included, because obviously that counts. So for this day, I did 31 races with 138 words per minute. Now we could just take our last 10 races and say 139, 138. I'm gonna go with 139 average on this keyboard. As you can see, it's kind of inconsistent with how I type. 150s, 130s, 140s, literally all in the same. It literally is 140, 130, 150, 130, 150, 140, 130, 150, 130, 140. It's kind of inconsistent, but however, I will go ahead and switch out this keyboard, and we're going to go on to the next keyboard, and we're going to see how I can type on that one. Now it's time for the dusty, beaten up, ugly, fading keyboard that I'm doing right here, and we're gonna see what I can average on this. We're not gonna count this first race, it's gonna be the first one we're switching. So okay, 111, and the keyboard is a lot less loud. I will say that it's a lot less loud, way more quieter. It's harder to go faster because the input to get these keys actually down is weirder for me. This is, okay, let's see if it types better now. This is very weird because the keyboard was flopping around, so it's a very weird situation. Now the wire's in the way, so how can I, okay, we're refreshing that one because that's my entire fault. Penguintyper. It's very hard to tell at this point, but I have a feeling it's slightly slower, but doesn't matter in the end result. Yeah, that 135 feels a lot faster than a 135 by my mechanical keyboard. Yeah, okay, I just lost an Olympus. It's actually hurting my fingers a lot more to type on this computer, because I think I'm pressing down harder. We're gonna see after this race. Alright, let's see this last race on the mechanical keyboard and how it ends up. I mean the brain key. I'm sorry. Alright. Our speed went down to 124 average. Our highest raise during that time was a 135. I feel like it's safe to conclude I type slightly slower with this keyboard. However, I will not say that it's worse. For one, it's way less loud. For two, gets the job done. And for a small price, if you have the money, I would go ahead and buy a mechanical keyboard. But a keyboard like this will do just fine. I mean, it won't affect your speed too much. And I feel like me learning with a mechanical keyboard definitely influenced the results.